Good morning everybody. This is Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you a very simple recipe, and that's chicken liver pepper fry. It's a very simple recipe. You could use this as a side dish with rice or with bread or with chapatis, or you could also serve it as a snack or a starter at parties. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and share the video if you like it. And yes, let's get going. I'll take you through the cooking process. Very few ingredients. Thank you. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and then once it's hot, add 2 sliced onions and 2 green chillies that we've slit in half lengthwise. So you start frying the onions, and you can raise the heat to high and fry till the onions turn brown, light brown. So once the onions are light brown, you could lower the heat and then add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So fry this well till the raw smell goes, which should be about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in 2 teaspoons of pepper powder or fresh crushed pepper. Freshly crushed is good, but if you can't, then you just add in your pepper powder and fry well for a minute or 2. Then you add in a 1/4 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is just to give a nice color and a glaze to the pepper fry. So you fry this as well, mix and fry. Okay, and now what we can do is we can add in a washed chicken livers. I usually wash them because I don't like the blood that remains. So wash the chicken and then add the livers and mix well with the onions. So you keep on mixing and frying. Turn it over well so that everything gets incorporated. And now what you can do is add salt to taste and again mix well. So just keep on stirring and frying. So you can now cover it with the lid and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes on medium heat. You can see that the liver gives out some water when you open it. So keep on stirring, again cover, and cook for a few more minutes. Then when you open it out, you can fry till the gravy dries up. If you like a bit of gravy, leave it as it is. But if you want it dry, you could just keep frying till the gravy dries up. So once it reaches this stage, you can now transfer the cooked chicken livers, remove it onto a dish. Keep it aside, and then add the boiled potatoes to the pan and mix well so that they're all coated with the residue in the pan. No need to add any oil or anything. Whatever residue is there in the pan, just fry these potatoes a little while till all the residue coats the potatoes. So that, and there you go. Chicken liver pepper fry is ready. So if you like this video, please like and share it, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.